Hello everyone, this is me Kiran and you are watching Digital Dreamscape. In this video, I am going to share 10 different ways to make money as a digital artist. Digital artists have so many options to share and sell their work. If you have got a passion for making things, why not make some money doing it? From selling your art on mugs and coasters to teaching others how to learn a skill, there are plenty of ways you can make money as a digital artist. A digital artist makes art on a computer or iPad. Instead of oil paints, brushes, and paper, digital artists use a mouse as their medium and screens as their canvas. The term digital art can refer to anything from video game design to lettering and paintings created in tools like Photoshop and Procreate. The good news for digital artists is that their work is replicable and scalable. Where it might take a watercolor artist days to create a handful of the same piece, it can take digital artists just seconds. This means you can reproduce and sell as many prints as you like to meet the demand. How much does a digital artist make? How long is a piece of string? The amount of money a digital artist can make varies wildly depending on their medium, their audience, and the kind of art they create. One digital artist might make millions selling a handful of prints online, while another might only make $50 a month. To become a successful digital artist, you need a platform, an audience, and a plan. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you what your options are and how lucrative each option can be. Selling downloadable prints. The most obvious option is to sell your art as downloadable prints. Printables are essentially digital files that customers can download and print themselves. These can include art prints, planners, calendars, greeting cards, and more. Digital artists make money through printables. You first have to create high quality original designs that people will want to purchase. Popular types of printables often include motivational quotes, seasonal decorations, wall art for nurseries, and educational worksheets. The versatility of printables means they are a niche for almost any artistic style, from minimalist and modern to intricate and vintage. Once you have created a piece, you can sell it over and over again. The definition of passive income. You can either choose to print off each piece and send it to your customers, or you can sell the digital version they can download and print themselves. While you don't have much control over the end result doing the latter, it takes a lot of the work off your plate. Here's how you can get started selling downloadable art prints. Create your prints. It's best to have a few pieces ready to go so customers can get a feel for your style and choose a design that suits their preferences. Resize your prints. Check the resolution of your digital art is good enough to download and print. If it's not, resize your prints until the resolution is high enough that they won't blur or pixelate when enlarged. Decide where to sell your print. If you have one, upload your prints to art sites and your own website. Add titles and descriptions. Make sure you add descriptive titles to your prints so they are easy to find in the search results. The million-dollar question is, where should you sell your prints? Lots of artists prefer uploading their artwork to print marketplaces like Etsy or Artfinder. This takes away the hassle of managing your own website, but you also have less control over how your art is presented. Plus, you are competing with hundreds of other artists on the same platform. Alternatively, you can set up your own website using a platform like Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace. You then have the freedom to make your site look how you want it to and can implement strategies to increase your organic reach. Alternatively, you can create your own website and use a WAP checkout link. There are pros and cons to each option, but the choice comes down to how much time you have and your skill set. Create and sell digital stickers. Let's dive into another exciting way of how to make money as a digital art artist: creating and selling digital stickers. This might sound a bit unconventional, but in the digital age, digital stickers are all the rage. They are fun, they are expressive, and you can sell them. Here's how. Design your stickers. The first step is to design your stickers. The great thing about digital stickers is they can be anything you want, from cute animals to inspirational quotes. Get creative and design stickers that people would love to use in their digital communication. Select a platform. There are many platforms where you can sell your digital stickers, such as Etsy or even the App Store. Do your research and choose the one that fits your needs and goals. Price your stickers. Pricing can be a tricky part. You need to consider your time, effort, and the market demand. It's always a good idea to check out what similar products are priced at. Promote your stickers. Use social media to promote your stickers. Show them in action. People love to see how they can use the stickers in their chats or social media posts. So, ready to jump into the world of digital stickers? It's a fun and creative way to make money as a digital art artist. Plus, your artwork could be popping up in people's chats all over the world. Now, isn't that a cool thought? Next is becoming a digital art influencer. Now we will explore how to make money as a digital art influencer. Yes, you heard that right. Your art could have more power than you think. It has the potential to inspire others, to open up new perspectives, and to influence the digital art scene. So, why not leverage that power to earn some money? Let's see how. Build your online presence. Before you can influence, you need an audience. Start by building your online presence. Post your art on social media, engage with your audience, and show them the person behind the art. Collaborate. Collaborations can help you reach a wider audience. You can collaborate with other artists, brands, or even art platforms. The key is to collaborate with entities that align with your art style and values. It's a sustainable way digital artists make money. Start a YouTube channel. Becoming a YouTuber is another great way digital artists make money. Not only does it allow you to share your passion for art with a wider audience, but it also offers numerous monetization opportunities. On your YouTube channel, create content that resonates with both art enthusiasts and fellow artists. Tutorials, time-lapse videos of your digital work, and tips on using specific digital software can attract a dedicated following. You can also share behind-the-scenes looks at your creative process or discuss the inspiration behind your pieces. This variety keeps your content fresh and engaging. The great thing about YouTube is it's free to join, and as a visual platform, it lends itself perfectly to digital art in all shapes and sizes. There are a few ways you can monetize your art on YouTube. Earn from paid subscribers. If you have a high enough follow count, you can make money every time a paid subscriber watches your videos. Build an audience. Plenty of people use YouTube as a search channel, which means it's a great platform for building an audience that you can direct to your digital art print store or other products. Affiliate marketing. Share your favorite art products with an affiliate link to earn a chunk of commission every time someone buys through your link. Partnerships. Join forces with art brands to promote their products and services to your audience in exchange for a fee. So the next is sell desktop and mobile wallpapers and backgrounds. You can also sell pre-made wallpapers and backgrounds for people's phones and desktops. If you are a dab hand at creating beautiful patterns and design, you can create a few options and sell them on a marketplace. The best part about this way to make money as a digital artist is it's easy to get started. All you need to do is put together a few designs, make sure they are the correct dimensions for different devices, and upload them to a design marketplace or your own website. Offering art classes and tutorials. Why not share your digital art skills through an online course? You can teach a specific art technique or create a comprehensive course about getting started as a digital artist. The possibilities are endless. How about a video course about your signature collage technique or an ongoing masterclass that teaches people the basics of creating digital art? Creating an art course can be an investment upfront, but once it's set up, you can sell it over and over again. This is about sharing your skills and passion with others. By creating online courses, you can reach a global audience eager to learn digital art techniques. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy to host your courses and tutorials. One of the biggest perks of this approach is the potential for passive income. Once you have created and uploaded your courses, they can continue to generate revenue without requiring constant effort on your part. This means you can focus on other creative projects while your courses work for you. Start a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand store let customers buy different products decorated with your designs. You essentially store your prints online and then shoppers can choose what items they want to print on. A mug, a t-shirt, a tote bag. There are ready-made POD stores such as Printful or Printify, where you can upload your products or you can create your own website to attract potential buyers. Similarly to selling your digital art online, you just need to upload your designs, which are then stored electronically. When someone purchases an item with your design on it, a third party will create the product and send it to the end customer. There's very little effort involved on your part, but the rewards can be great if your designs become popular. Sell guides and templates. Creating guides and templates that cover specific art skills or techniques can be a great earner. This might be a step-by-step guide to a specific process or a set of Photoshop brushes or branding document templates. Once you have put the guides and templates together, you can sell them on repeat to a huge customer base. Similarly to courses, there's some upfront work involved in the creating guides and templates, but once they are made and uploaded to your chosen platform, you can basically forget about them. The great part is that you can create a guide for pretty much anything. Offer custom portrait services. Another interesting way to make money as a digital art artist is by offering custom portrait services. Yes, you heard it right. People are always looking for unique and personal ways to celebrate their loved ones, and a custom digital portrait does just that. Develop your style. Every artist has a unique style. Yours could be hyper-realistic, cartoonish, abstract, or anything in between. Embrace it, because that is what will set your work apart. Set up an online shop. Platforms like Etsy or Fiverr are a great place to start. You can display examples of your work and set your prices. Remember, consistency is key. Your shop should reflect your style and personality. Communicate with your clients. Understand their requirements and make sure they understand your process and timelines. Happy clients often become repeat customers and are more likely to recommend you to others. Promote your services. Use social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest to showcase your work and attract potential clients. Word of mouth is also a powerful tool, so don't underestimate it. Offering custom portrait services not only allows you to make money but also provides an opportunity to constantly improve your skills and push your creative boundaries. So, are you ready to bring people's visions to life? So, the last one is creating NFTs, non fungible tokens. Creating NFTs is becoming one of the most lucrative avenues for digital artists to monetize their creativity. NFTs are unique digital assets stored on a blockchain, verifying ownership and originality. This innovation has revolutionized the art world, allowing digital artists to sell their work directly to buyers without intermediaries, often at staggering prices. One of the best ways to sell NFTs is through auctions. Hosting an auction for your art can create a buzz and drive up the value. Also, collaborating with other artists or influencers can expand your reach and tap into the new markets. Authenticity is the key in the NFT space, so make sure your work is always high quality and original. So, there you have it. Being a digital artist is not just about creating stunning visuals, it's about turning your passion into a high paying income. No matter where you live, you can make a substantial income from your artistic talents. Practice regularly, take online courses, watch tutorials, and get feedbacks from other artists. There's always something new to learn. Don't just dream about becoming rich as an artist, take action today. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any question, you may ask in comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.